Hi, I'd like to introduce you to the SolarCool Cold Shed, the first of its kind solar-powered refrigerated storage unit developed to help reduce post-harvest crop losses. As we're approaching the building, the first thing we see is the equipment room. Inside, we see the batteries where sufficient backup power is stored to run for 18 hours with no sunlight and no recharging. Next is what we call the PCU. It's the control unit that controls the power from the solar panels and uses that power to charge the batteries and run the cube. The cube itself provides all the cooling required to cool 10.5 cubic meters of storage space down to 8 degrees Celsius. The cube is a proprietary cooling unit which operates at 25% less energy requirement than typical refrigeration systems of its size, which is the reason why it's able to run on just the solar panels that are on the roof of the unit. It also monitors the temperature in the cold room to whatever the desired temperature required for the particular products inside, and it will maintain that temperature as needed. The structure itself is metal-coated polyurethane foam panels which are capable of allowing the unit to cool to 8 degrees C even in 45 degree outside temperature. Inside the cold room, first thing we see is the air vent coming out in the ceiling. That's where the cold air comes out of the cube and begins recirculating throughout the product and continues to recirculate until the proper temperatures are achieved. You can see that in this diagram a description of how the air flows out of the cube up through the ceiling vent, circulates around and through the product that is stored in the unit, and returns back into the cube to be recooled and recirculated once again. The interesting thing about the cold shed is that it was designed to be sourced locally. 95% of the components can actually be found in Africa, either locally or regionally. Equally important is the fact that it is constructed with local labor. The complete package arrives on site at the chosen location and can be assembled with one experienced individual and a team of local workers to build it. Thank you for the opportunity to present the cold shed to you, and look forward to developing control of post-harvest crop losses throughout Africa. Thank you.